Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Have you ever felt like a real life mystery was unfolding before your eyes? The recent passing of Liam Payne has left many with unanswered questions. The singer's death in Argentina last October sparked a whirlwind of speculation and investigation. Uh, Three individuals have been indicted, leaving many to wonder what truly happened. And, reports surfaced suggesting Liam's girlfriend, Kate Cassidy, felt trapped during their Argentinian holiday. Um, this supposed hostage situation uh, adds a layer of complexity to the already tragic events. Liam, formerly of One Direction, had battled substance abuse. An autopsy revealed the presence of various uh, drugs in his system. A friend of Cassidy's claimed that Liam's drug use caused friction between him and Kate, leading to a difficult choice. Liam stayed at the Casa Sur Palermo Hotel in Buenos Aires. He tragically fell from a balcony. A witness reported seeing him behaving strangely beforehand to uh, their planned short trip became a 2-week ordeal, prompting Cassidy to leave for Florida. Uh, Response. A friend explained she had to leave for everyone's well-being. She hoped Liam would follow. Uh, the situation was becoming increasingly unhealthy for her and Liam. Um, Among those charged is a waiter, uh, Bayan Nawal Pais, who admitted to drug use with Liam but denies supplying him. Kate reportedly doubts the waiter's claims, believing it's a self-serving attempt to escape um, legal consequences. Um, um, the investigation is ongoing. Uh, Tributes have poured in from fellow musicians. Um, the truth remains elusive, a puzzle piece yet to be found. Uh, it's a sad situation, but it, hey, at least it's not as dramatic as my last game of Among Us. And um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, uh,